What's going on, guys? My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt.
And I'm Allie Brooke.
And it's your boy Pink Sweat.
I'm JC Kalen.
Here with NLE Chopper.
Yes, sir.
Brennan Scarlett from the Houston Texans.
I'm Kevin Salazar.
King Amadeus, New York.
We're here with Angel Syndrome and welcome to Culture Shock.
That was sick.
Nike. Yeah.
Donut stuck out to me.
I can't handle this.
It's beautiful.
Whatever.
Got the cork.
I don't know what's going on in my life. Season 2.
The funny part is that people are literally gonna watch this and still not know what the heck we're doing.
I don't know what the heck we're doing.
But that's okay, because that is what this channel is about. We're here to impact and we're here to entertain.
And we are here to show what culture is all about. Doesn't matter whether we're from Texas, but we're all over the place. We have been all over the country, and we will continue to grow outside of it to bring the world to you.
So thanks again for tuning in. My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt,
And
and
you're
you're
about
about to be culture shocked
shocked.
again for the second time in season 2.
Season. Yeah.